Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming account and device readiness. Log into your current VPN and verify credentials. Once done, pick the new server location and protocol, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, and check device support. Make sure to back up existing config files, export profiles, and note custom DNS or split tunnel rules before disconnecting. You want a rollback path. Export any settings to a secure folder or cloud. This avoids lost access while you switch. Now install the new VPN client or import the provider config file. Follow on-screen prompts to grant network permissions. Once installed, select your preferred protocol and enable the kill switch and auto-connect for safety. Configure DNS servers and split tunnel rules so essential apps bypass, or use the VPN as needed. Choose a nearby server for speed or a specific country for content. After configuring, run an IP check and DNS/leak test to finish by confirming stability. Run a speed test, validate geolocation-based services, and ensure secure DNS resolution. Once satisfied, revoke old device authorizations and remove deprecated config files to prevent accidental reconnection. Make sure you update saved passwords and 2FA keys where required. If you encounter problems, restart the device, try the alternate protocol, or switch servers. If that fails, collect logs and contact provider support. A single troubleshooting tip: toggle the kill switch off and on, then reconnect to force a fresh handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.